Good morning, students. This is Vijayalakshmi here, your business studies teacher. Today we will start with Unit 7 of Business Studies, that is directing. And first chapter of directing is importance and elements of directing. First of all, we must know the meaning of directing. Directing means instructing, guiding, communicating, and inspiring people, to all the employees in such a way so that organizational objective can be achieved. It is that part of management process which ensures efficiency and effectiveness of employees. And directing is also called management in action. With the help of directing function, entire human machinery of enterprise moves, and actual work of organization starts under directing function of management. Now, various elements of directing are leadership, motivation, and communication. Earlier, supervision was also considered as element of directing. It is no more element of directing now, although we must know the meaning of supervision. So, first of all, meaning of supervision. Supervision means to monitor routine work of the subordinates, monitor karna, to guide them properly, and under supervision face to face contact is must. And as now it is not to be done under staffing, it is studied as lower level management and functions of lower level managers, functions of supervisors. Now, first element of directing is communication. Communication is art of transferring facts, ideas, feelings, etc. from one person to another and making him understand. And it is very important to know the reaction of other person to whom you have communicated, right? But it is not necessary for the other one to follow it, what anyone has communicated. Second one is leadership. Leadership means to influence. This word should be clear, to influence others in such a way that they automatically start doing what leader wants them to do. Leadership transforms potential of any person into reality. That's why we always say any manager should be a good leader also, because if the person doesn't have leadership qualities, he cannot influence others to do what the manager wants them to do. Last element of directing function is motivation. Motivation means it is a process of exciting, encouraging, impelling, inducing, and stimulating. All these words should be clear to you. Exciting, encouraging, impelling, motivating, inducing, and stimulating others for the attainment of desired objectives, right? तो मोटिवेशन में उस पर्सन की, सबॉर्डिनेट की मोटिव को ध्यान में रखा कराया जाता है, व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव, उसी से रिलेटेड ही स्टार्ट मेकिंग एफर्ट्स. अंडर लीडरशिप, a good manager, if he has good leadership qualities, he can influence his subordinates to do what he wants them to do. Many times we see in the class also, leader is different, and leadership means any person, he can be appointed by any of the authority, he cannot be appointed, but he has leadership skills and everyone follows that person. और अगर मैनेजर में अच्छी लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ होंगी, एवरीवन विल बी डूइंग वट एवर दैट मैनेजर वांट्स देम टू डू. कम्युनिकेशन, टू ट्रांसफर इन facts, feelings, ideas in impressive manner, right? So all these are elements of directing function. I hope it is clear to you now. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay at home.